Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn from Basic to Advanced English. I'm Shama Rawat. Last video that I uploaded on my YouTube channel, I had promised you that I will bring a detailed video on phrasal verbs. As I had made a video on verbs and the types of verbs, and in that video I had not included phrasal verb because I thought, I should make a detailed video on this topic. Now, although the topic is very simple, what are phrasal verbs? When a verb is combined with a preposition. I hope preposition by now must be clear with the topic because I have made detailed video on prepositions, the type of prepositions, preposition of places and all. अगर आप नहीं देखी हैं, if you are unable to watch them, please go to my channel and make a point to watch the videos. So I was talking about the phrasal verbs. Yes, phrasal verbs are the verbs. When a verb, it is kind of a combo. See, I've written also on the board. It is a combination. When verb is combined with a preposition, then the word that comes out is said to be phrasal verb. And when they all together, when the two of the words, when they are combined, they give a different meaning. They all together, they give a different meaning, which is totally different. And one more thing I would like to say, that phrasal, there are n number of phrasal verbs. You will only be able to learn them by integrating in your daily conversation. ठीक है, ऐसे नहीं होगा कि आप एक बार पढ़ेंगे, दो बार पढ़ेंगे और आपको सब phrasal verbs समझ में आ जाएंगे. It is just that जितना आप प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे, जितना आप अवेयर रहेंगे, उतना आसानी है आपके लिए. ठीक है. In this video, I have brought around 3 words, which are verbs, of course, and you will see how when a different preposition is added to these verbs, all together it gives a different meaning. The first is take. ठीक है. Take मतलब लेना. Take is a verb. ठीक है. अब देखिए, take off, take up, take in, take over, take back. Take off, very simple, when something is removed from the ground, like we say, the flight took off around 7 in the evening. It was 2 hours delayed. ठीक है, 2 घंटे लेट से flight ने took off किया. तो take off, took off, okay? Then is take up. Take up when you going to start a new activity. है ना, कोई नई एक्टिविटी आप जो स्टार्ट करते हैं, तब आप बोलते हैं I'm taking up dancing classes, or I took up this lesson live. ठीक है, I took live lessons for this classes. I took pottery classes. तो I took up pottery classes. Take का हो जाएगा second form took, और इसका मतलब है you are going to start a new activity. Okay. Moving on to third, that is take in. Taking का मतलब होता है जब आप कोई चीज समझना चाह रहे हो. I am trying to take in what you are saying. I was unable to take in whatever the lecture ma'am gave. मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आया जो मैम ने मुझे समझाया या मैम ने हमें समझाया. ठीक है. Take over, that means बोलते हैं ना, उसने उसके ऊपर take over कर लिया. This company, the Reliance or the Ambanis have take over this company. When you kind of when one thing it takes control or it gains control over the other, then we say take over. ठीक है. इसका मतलब है, this is a phrasal verb. इसका मतलब है that the so and so company or so and so person has taken over, has gained control over the other person or over the other factory or company or industry, whatever it is. Then take back, that means to return. I took back the dress that I ordered from so and so website. ठीक है, मैंने जो वेबसाइट से मैंने जो ऑर्डर करी थी ड्रेस, वो मैंने वापस कर दी. तब जब कोई चीज़ आप रिटर्न करेंगे ना, रिटर्न नहीं बोलेंगे आप बोलेंगे टेक बैक. तो देखिए फ्रेंड्स, क्या हुआ, ये आपका टेक सिंगल वर्ब था, एंड व्हेन इट गोज विद द डिफरेंट प्रपोजिशन, द मीनिंग ऑल टुगेदर इज टोटली डिफरेंट एंड इट इज यूज्ड इन डिफरेंट कॉन्टेक्स्ट. ठीक है. मूविंग ऑन टू लुक. लुक मीन्स देखना. Alright, which again is a verb. Let's see how different prepositions have different meaning to it. Look after, very simple. It is the duty of these children to look after their parents. When they are old. Okay, yeah. अगर मैं एक और statement लूँ, after losing their only girl child, they had nobody, to look after them. उनकी एक ही बेटी थी, वो नहीं रही. उसके बाद उनका देखरेख करने के लिए कोई भी नहीं था. ठीक है. Look after. Look after. Who is looking after you these days? As your parents are abroad. तुम्हारा कौन देखरेख कर रहा है? Parents बाहर हैं abroad में. Look down. Look down का मतलब होता है नीचे देखो नहीं, है ना. Despise someone. when you are being disrespectful and when you consider yourself superior and the other person below you, है ना, आपको खुद पे ज़्यादा नाज हो जाए और सामने वाले को सोचो कि क्या ही है ये, तब आप इस्तेमाल करेंगे look down. अगर आपको स्टेटमेंट दूँ, please do not judge a person or do not despise so and so या XYZ या राहुल नाम ले लीजिए. Please do not despise Rahul just because he earns less than you. तुमसे कम कमाता है इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुमसे कम लायक है या तुम सुपीरियर. सो लुक डाउन. ठीक है, लुक फॉर स्टेटमेंट्स आपने सुने होंगे एंड डेफिनेटली यू मस्ट हैव कम अक्रॉस दैट द कॉप्स लुक्ड फॉर द बॉडी that was drowned in the river, or the cops looked after the couple who had eloped, after murdering the landlords. कॉप ने क्या किया, पुलिस ने क्या किया, दे सर्च फॉर द डेड बॉडी, दे सर्च फॉर द बॉडी. ठीक है, उस आदमी की बॉडी को ढूंढा, पूरे लुक किया, है ना, कहाँ, नदी में. फिर मैंने स्टेटमेंट दिया कि पुलिस ने कपल को ढूंढा, दे लुक्ड फॉर द कपल जिन्होंने मर्डर कर दिया था, लैंडलॉर्ड का मर्डर कर दिया था, एंड दे हैड eloped, भाग गए थे, वो eloped, ELOPED. ओके, इन द सेम वे लुक आउट, बोलते ना लुक आउट, बी केयरफुल, लुक आउट, द मेन होल इज ओपन. ठीक है, मेन होल या मैन होल जिसे बोलते हैं, गटर का ढक्कन खुला हुआ है, लुक आउट, कहीं गिर मत जाना उस पर, लुक आउट. there is glass shattered all over the floor. ठीक है, कांच के टुकड़े पड़े हुए हैं, there are fragments of glass all over the floor. ठीक है, so please look out, better look out, look up to improve. बोलते हैं ना, I've always looked up to this person while growing up. I've always looked up to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam when I was a child. ठीक है, कि आप किसी को admire करें and you want to be like that person when you want to improve yourself. ठीक है, you look up to that person. होता है, to whom do you look up at, है ना, आप किसके जैसा बनना चाहेंगे. See again, like take, look एक वर्ब है, अलग अलग prepositions लगी, अलग अलग मतलब निकल रहा है. ठीक है, the last one today's video is get, which means लाना या लेना. Get up, simple, wake up. We must get up early in the morning. ठीक है, या I get up at 5 in the morning. Get along with, you use this phrase when you say that you have a strong bond with that person. I and my neighbor, we get along very well. Yeah, I get along very well with my batchmates. That means I have a strong bonding with my neighbors. I have a strong bonding with my batchmates. ठीक है, get over, recover from. कोई आपको चोट लगी है, आपको कोई सदमा लगा है, या आप डिप्रेशन में किसी वजह से, you have lost something, you have lost someone, तो आप इस्तेमाल करेंगे get over का. If I give you an example, please get over your ex as it is almost 6 months. Please get over your past. अपने past से निकल के आओ, present में आओ, है ना, get rid of that. Then is get rid of. Get rid of मतलब eliminate, खत्म कर दो, destroy कर दो या अलग हटा दो. If I say that I want to get rid of all the negativity around me, है ना, I want to get rid of all the old clothes that I have. मुझे पूरे पुराने कपड़ों से मुझे छुटकारा चाहिए, ना चाहे मैं उनको दान दे दूँ या चाहे किसी को दे दूँ. And I want to get rid of all the negativity around me. मुझे negativity नहीं चाहिए अपने आसपास. ठीक है, so these were the phrasal verbs. No doubt they are, a little bit of, there will be confusion if you'll go through all the phrasal verbs, but trust me, the only key to achieve or to attain, master over phrasal verbs is practice. ठीक है, जितना practice करेंगे, जितना आप देखेंगे, इनको सुनेंगे, समझेंगे, although they are very easy, but वही है, start integrating in your basic conversation, then only you'll speak phrasal verbs like a pro. Okay, अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड बीइंग विद मी.